Hey people, so it's that's what, as of today, since I had a very crazy morning, uh, to kind of cool off, I sat down to read this book called Standing on an Apple Box. And that's what, here I have my cute little, this little, we try to look after these baby rabbits. But Standing on an Apple Box, this book is, this book will tell you, it's as written by Aishwarya, Rajnikanth, Dhanush. It'll let you know about these little known facts about Rajnikanth's life. Like, for instance, he uh, he does meditation every single day in this, apparently, like in this dimly lit room that has mirrors all around. And he says that when he does meditation here with mirrors all around, it's almost as if he sees himself from all angles. Like, he understands that apparently every issue has so many facets to it, and as a superstar, one tends to lose uh, touch with, they say, with reality and things. So when he does his meditation every day like this, it kind of grounds him. So it is so fascinating. Like, I didn't know this about Rajnikant, actor. And apparently he lost his mom when he was just 7 years old, and he was brought up by his elder brother and his wife, the elder brother's wife. So and little known things, like apparently if he's eating something, it is he likes to eat only two items at a time, like whatever, manchuria with noodles, and no appetizer, no dessert. It's just two items. So little known facts. And the fact that Aishwarya met her husband in a theater, when they, Dhanush, no, the actor. So fascinating book. So people, Standing on an Apple Box, I can't recommend this book enough, because it's, I would say, it's one of the best books I've read in a long time. I mean, it's one of the best biographies I've seen. So do try and get this book, people. It's on Amazon. It's called Standing on an Apple Box by Aishwarya, uh, Rajnikanth, Dhanush. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.